So guys, this is Brooke, and I'm excited because my new members pack came in from the Central Carolina Chrysanthemum Society. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so first off, you get a binder, and so there's the thank you card, and let's see, the binder has a wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. So I'm not going to go through this right now. I'm just going to, just unbox it for right now because they did send me plants. And so the first one right here is Feeling Green. Oh my goodness, I wanted green chrysanthemums. That's what I requested. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So Feeling Green, and let's see. And this one is called, let's see, Rhonda Broze. Okay. And this one is Cosmo Bordeaux. Okay. And then this one is, let's see, a Rhonda Purple. Oh, this is one of the challenge mums. Okay. And then this one is called, hang on, Splash Intense. And I'm going to be putting pictures of these bad boys on the thing. And then let's see. And then let's see, Cosmo Purple. Okay, so Cosmo Purple. Okay, oh, I got a lot in here. Venice Peach. This one is, I think this is another one of the challenge. Okay, this is Rhonda Red. This is another one of the challenge. They gave you, so I got 3 free, 3 of the challenge mums. And then, let's see, this one is Shizu Aki. Okay. And, ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. And then Heather James. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Fleur di Lis. And let's see, Oriental Knight. Oh, there's still more stuff in here. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And let's see, I did Primrose Mt Shasta. Okay. And let's see, last but not least, this one is called something dance. Wind dance. Okay, so that's it. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I have 14. So I'm happy. Very happy. So anyway, guys, I'm getting ready to lose power, so I'll come back on in a second after and go through the book with you guys. I'm going to go water these now. I'm going to put them in a little cup to rehydrate them. Okay guys, so now that my battery is charged, let me go over some of the material they actually sent me. So this is the binder. So they kind of have a diagram of the chrysanthemum itself, you know, the breadth of the bloom, the disc florets, depth of the bloom, stem, internode, foliage, axil, root system, because obviously that's going to help you. So the whole thing with the Central Carolina Chrysanthemum Society is that they want they want chrysanthemums to continue and not die out. So they're teaching you how to grow them and how to propagate them. So they gave you a lot of material. So one of the things they gave you is the Journal of the National Chrysanthemum Society. So it's all kinds of stuff in here about ordering them, landscaping, bloom finder, classification, new introductions and changes, and all that sort of thing. This is kind of geared towards exhibitors, because the one thing about the heirloom varieties is they do lend themselves to exhibition. So the other thing they gave you is the Beginner's Handbook, which is from the National Chrysanthemum Society. And so it has like everything in here. I mean, let me just open the little handbook so I can tell you the chapters. So it's the introduction, history overview, where to grow them, soils and plant nutrition, how to obtain the plants, the chrysanthemum bed, planting and support, plant care and watering during growth, pinching, despudding and pruning, insects and other animal pests, diseases and their causes, idea for a better grower, why shade and how, exhibiting is rewarding, what to do and when. So they've got like a calendar, that sort of thing. So I definitely am going to read these because I don't really know much about chrysanthemums. They also gave you a nice King's Chrysanthemum Catalog. I already have one, but I don't think you can have too many of these. So there's that. They gave me, I guess these are some bookmarks. And so they're so cute. It has the 13 types, classes of chrysanthemums on the back of the bookmark. So there is regular, incurve, reflex, irregular, incurve, reflex, regular, incurve, decorative, that sort of thing. And so then they were also put this thing in here to announce the this National Chrysanthemum Society show, which is in November. And so it's a big contest, which of course I probably will not be able to go, but it's like a save the date card. And then they have this binder, and so you know, they have all kinds of diagrams, like setting out the classifications. Even the next page is going over, I guess, heights and that sort of thing, because that's the way it looks to be arranged. And then they've got things like a glossary of terms, because there are some terms that they're going to be using, like, for example, the break bud, you know, second crown bud, spray, calyx, you know, seedling, a sport, you know, stool and sucker and that sort of thing. And they give you a pretty detailed list of what you should be doing in what months, from taking cuttings down to, you know, everything else. They have a whole section on how to prepare your bed, basically like how much fertilizer, how much, you know, cow manure, sand or whatnot. And they give you a whole thing on compost and fertilizers and how to use it and that sort of thing. Give you a general list of supplies and materials and home recipe for potting soil. And then they give you this whole, oops, I just knocked something over. This whole feeding schedule and telling you the stage, the approximate date, the materials, the quantity, and, you know, even like the amount. So it's just, yeah. So basically, it's everything you need to know on how to take care and grow your own and even propagate them. So they talk about pest control issues, and then they've got some There's a chart they have. There's the pesticides, what it handles, that sort of thing. How to deal with caterpillars, and then diseases, so you can recognize them, and that sort of thing. And then they have a section on cascading chrysanthemums, because they do have some that are cascading. They tell you how to do it. And then there's some blank pages for you to like record your own cultivars and that sort of thing. So all in all, it's, you know, seems like it's going to be fairly exhaustive. So obviously I've got some reading to do. And so everything, of course, that I learn, I will be sharing with you guys, because I'm hoping that you guys will get into it with me too. So that is the end of this video. So I'm really excited to start this journey. And so right now, actually, let me take you over so I can show you what I've done thus far. I put all of the little baggies in water, so I'm rehydrating them. And so they're coming back. They weren't too bad, but you know, I'm gonna let them soak overnight, and they should have absorbed as much water as they can. And then I'll worry about planting them. So I have little terracotta pots that I'm going to put them in, because I was told that's the best kind. It's the terracotta. Well, I'll go over that in a different video, but because the terracotta dries out a little bit more than most containers, it helps the roots to grow, because the roots kind of like, I guess you would say, chase the water. So I've got my potting soil mix. They recommended for this, and it's a lot, but I'm going to have to repot these in a little bit into a bigger container. So I'm starting out in 4-inch pots. I'll leave them in there for 6 weeks, and then I'll be, you know, once the roots get to a certain size, I can pot them up into a 6-inch or maybe an 8-inch container. These are going to be in the landscape, so at some point in time I am going to plant them in the landscape. Maybe once I pot them up, I'll leave them in for another 6 weeks and then finally put them in the ground. So like I said, that'll be another video. So anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and I will see you in another video.